up in 110. You like the EBR or you like the
Good luck. Have fun. That's it.
Well,
they were asking me what would the EBR do. Stay with the 110.
Hey, did you want to try to do that again? Okay. That last camera I had died, so but I can use this one. But I still gotta. Right.
Yeah. So like the other one. I'm not gonna stop.
You know they're gonna storm out overnight? What happened in the Yeah. It's actually okay. Never ending.
Yeah.
You want to get this one moved so you can get a better shot of that?
I'm getting it. Unless you want to hold it or something.
Hey, all you guys. My back is starting to kill me.
All right.
Hey, boss. I gotta go do an AR job.
What's up on Kelly Hill?
I'm gonna take off. You'll probably be gone by then. You'll be on the phone. Okay. So I can't bring my with you right now. No, over here. Somebody
Can I get a shot of that real quick before we put it up?
They did me a favor over in the wind. Did you abandon them, sir? Yeah.
All right, they're breaking down, Randolph. I'm just gonna try to go down the line here and get them real quick. I mean, some of this we already sent, but I want to get some HD versions of this.
You have more of our stuff?
Oh, there's a swarm of bugs on me.
Hey, North. They called me to you at Red Cloud 8:30.
I mean, it's a swarm of bugs.
I need to go over with you to do some more, but I'll see you at 8:30. All right, man, let's go. I'm taking off, Vince.
Sir North. I got it. Go ahead and get that AR with some ready.
Got it.
All you.
Not mine.
We are. We've gotten our stuff back, so we're.
That's all Captain.
I'm here.
No, this is
I'm ready when you are.
yours.
I need my magazine back. 2-tone, 25.
It's not in the mat.
Somebody hauled it out, threw it in something else. That 2-tone magazine.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're talking about.
Oh yeah, I mean,
You done doing the gun porn?
Can I get you for 2 minutes?
Yeah, you ready?
All right, ready.
Okay, let me grab my
Wherever you'd
tripod.
like.